What's good, everyone? Welcome to the lake. I have some amazing content to show you from the WWA Nautique Nationals competition. It's of this bird hitting the rope, doing a flip, and going under my drone. It's crazy. The bird was okay, but I want to show you guys some highlights first of the contest, so check it out. Man, that was some crazy footage. I love filming those guys with the drone. It makes me feel like I'm in the middle of the competition with them. I'm along for the ride, and I have the best seat in the house. Again, the bird's okay, and I'm glad I got to show it to you guys. You know, stick around for the next one. I'm out. Peace.